you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am officially now, how annoying is that? I'm officially now Mrs. Earl, not Sinead Crowe, but my business is, I don't know why I say that. It is a business, but I always put myself down. It's weird. Anyway, this isn't a therapy session. My business is Sinead Crowe, so for my Instagram stuff it's Sinead Crowe, because I think otherwise it'd be confusing, and I don't want to have to like deal with all of that because it's very confusing. But anyway, that was very long-winded. This is my first video. It's Mrs. Al, Sinead L. So crazy that I've got a new name. It's really funny actually. In Australia, my honeymoon, Jack always calls me S Crowe. And like, if he's like, what would your rapper name be? And I'm like, S Crowe. And he'd be like, what would your stripper name be? And I'm like, S Crowe. And I'm like, what's your gangster name? S Crowe. Did I say gangster twice? Anyway. And then he called me S Crowe, was like, S Crowe does it again about something. And I was like, oh my God, that can't be my nickname now. And he was like, Sel? And I was like, that made me really sad that my name's not Sinead Crowe anymore. But I feel like, because my business, it kind of is. And also, like, I'll always be a crow at heart. Does anyone know what that's from? Crow at heart. Brown bird. Friends? No? Comment if you know what it is. Anyway, that was a very long-winded intro. Sorry, I know I have people who hate me blabbering on, and a lot of people are probably here just to see the handbag, and you don't really care about me and my life because you don't follow me and you just want to see the handbag. So let's get straight to it. Well, let's go to it now. We didn't get straight to it. So basically, bought a house, got married, expensive things. And then on my way to honeymoon at Heathrow, I was like, I'm gonna treat myself something so I don't have to save anything anymore. And it was a great feeling. So I was like, really wanted something from Bottega. There's a few bags that I'd seen that I really liked, and one of them was in there, and it's the one that I had been leaning towards, so I was very happy and got a discount of like £200 to £300. Obviously they're very expensive bags. This one's actually in the cheaper scale because the material, I think, so it's a cheaper bag than, even though it's the material I want, than the other ones, which can range from like 3,000 to 6,000, which is so much for like, not, I want to say high street design, but I know it's not high street design, but I would line it up with things like Celine, although Celine's high price now, but like Gucci and Chloe and stuff. But I guess actually it's more in line with like Chanel and Hermes. But I just didn't realise that like it was so expensive. But it's Bottega, obviously you know from the title. It's, yeah, like the brand of the moment at the moment. It's like so on trend. I haven't actually seen anyone with this bag. I did see it on Matches or in a magazine or on Pinterest or something, but I haven't seen anyone I know with it, which I won't lie, did make me like it more, because I feel like with these bags, when you spend so much money on them, seeing everyone with them kind of devalues them a bit. And I guess it's different if you're not in this industry, but for me I feel like there's a pressure to be like the first one with something, or like to have new, or like, I don't know, it's just like a pressure for that kind of thing. And also just, I don't know if it feels, maybe to you guys you don't like stuff if you see everyone else with it, but I know before I did this job, if I saw everyone with something, it made me want it more, whereas now I feel like it makes me want less. I don't know, comment if you have that experience. But anyway, it's no 5 minutes now, I still haven't shown you that, so sorry. So it's from Bottega Veneta. I don't have the bag because I was going to Australia, and also it got extremely damaged in the process of getting to Australia, because we went to Brunei on the way, not like to stay, just to go through. I had like a 2-hour stopover. Anyway, I am the queen of blabbering. It's a huge dust bag, for a huge bag, and it is, I don't actually know what it's called, so I'll put the name on the screen and it'll be in the title, I'm sure. But it's this like tote bag, but it's like a tote bag that's like a grab bag. And I really love the colours, and honestly what I wore at the airport, it like matched my outfit so much, but I guess that like it goes with everything. I will link it below because it is online but not in a lot of stores. I think either Matches had it or maybe it was like Harrods or somewhere. I'll link it below, and I'll try and find like in an option that's international as well. And they had it in like all leather as well, so I'll link the leather ones too. But this is linen, and it's like quite raw cut linen, if you can see. And then the leather, and I love the stitching on the leather too, that you can see the white stitching. And it gets a bit awkward to hold. I had it today, I was walking around with it, so spoiler alert, I've already used it. But that was the first time. You can hold it like that, but it's not like comfortable, but you can't really, you kind of have to hold it like this. But I don't really mind. I mean, I held basket bags like this all summer. What I love about it is like this linen-y, canvasy material is like so on trend at the moment in bags. And also I feel like it looks really nice for winter, but also summer. It's kind of like an all year round bag. And you can also wear like this as a clutch bag. So you can also fold it over and have it like this. So I really love this so much. I just think it's really special. So inside it's got like a little clip thing. You can't see anything. It's got a little clip for attaching your keys to, and then it's got this little sewn on, it's got this little pocket here. So it's got two really big pockets, so you could fit like a sunglasses case and sunglasses in or something. And it's got a really huge zip pocket, so it's got pockets to help you be able to find your stuff in it. And then I've just seen this, it's got like a little it's got like a little, I guess this is like an authenticity card or something, or a care card. But yeah, those are just in the thing. I'll probably just leave those in there or put them somewhere safe. But yeah, I really love this, and it's my first Bottega Veneta bag. I've already seen other ones that I want, but they're so expensive. Like for like normally trendy designer bags that really take off, and like designers that really take off are like more, not affordable because all design is expensive, but like Gucci's like bags range from like 500 to 1,500 for like the main bag selection, whereas these start at like 2,000. So it's really expensive as on-trend designer, though I do think that even though it's like having a moment at the moment, because I think it's because the person who worked under Phoebe Philo at Celine is now working as head designer, I think, at Bottega. So I feel like it's kind of filling that Celine void. So if you used to like Celine, then it's definitely like got that vibe. If you're like feeling that you've got a void in your heart, a Celine shaped void. But yeah, so definitely worth having a look. Really nice stuff, very expensive, but even though it is having a moment, I do feel like they're like real kind of classic pieces that will stand the test of time, because even if Bottega isn't on trend, this is just a really nice neutral classic bag. It's not like a trend, if you know what I mean. So yeah, love my bag. I feel like literally not taking a breath this entire video. I've missed video filming so much. Like I feel like I was kind of coming to a bit of like a with it before I went away, because I had been doing so much and I was so stressed trying to do that. And also I had my I was wedding planning, and we were moving house and having like we literally had the floor laid. It finished at 6 o'clock at night the night before we got married. So like it's been a stressful time, and I feel like now I feel free. Like I haven't got anything to focus on apart from Christmas and having a great time and work and life. So I'm like, I have so many video ideas. If there's anything you guys want to see, just let me know. And I'm back with a new lease of life, guys. She's back. So is back. Escrow. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Oh, I was going to do like a styling of this in this video, but I've just realised that I haven't, and I probably won't now. But if you want me to do a video of styling this up, then let me know. Or if you want me to find like Bottega dupes, let me know, because I know that that's expensive. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment. What do you think about Bottega? Do you like it? Do you think it's stuff that will last? Do you think it's just a trend? Do you think it's too expensive? Do you think it's worth it? What do you think? I'd love to hear your opinions. Also, do you like my bag? I don't really care if you don't like it, not gonna lie, because I love it. But I would still like to hear your opinion. Just don't be mean, please, because it's my bag and I just spent a lot of money on it. But yeah, I'll link everything below, including this jumper, which by the way is so cozy. It's from H&M. It's a really nice colour. It's a really nice like turquoisey colour. It's a bit itchy if you wore it with nothing underneath, but I obviously have a t-shirt underneath. That's fine. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.